having these boys run on the treadmills right now to make them really sweat. We want to find out whether there is a specific preference for the odor of one guy, which is the same for all the girls, or whether it's a sort of matching system where one girl prefers the odor of one guy and the other girl might prefer some typically different odor.
The men leave a sweaty fingerprint on their t-shirts, one that tells a woman more about them than they would ever guess.
Odor, for me, is a very interesting signal because it affects us on a very subconscious level. So we cannot really consciously interfere with what odors do to us, how we perceive them and so on. In our brain, the processing of odors is very closely related to emotional responses.
Not only emotional responses, but genetic ones. There's an intimate connection between how we smell and what's called the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. MHC is a section of our DNA that determines which diseases our immune system is equipped to fight. There are about 100 genes within this region, each with many different variants. No two people have the same MHC combination, and no two people smell the same.
We don't really know so far how our immune systems get into our body odor, but there is scientific evidence that they are linked. Our immune system actually determines which bacteria can live on our skin, and the bacteria is actually what makes our sweat smell.
So how do women react to men's sweaty t-shirts? The basic answer is not too surprising.
Unfortunately, the most of these smells are not very sexy.
And sometimes it's very hard to smell the differences between them.
Yeah.
But not all women feel the same way.
There was one smell I didn't find that unattractive. It was mild and not so much intense, and I wasn't disappointed about that.
That one of our women liked one of those odors very much might have two reasons. First of all, she was in her fertile window, means, the general dislike of male odors was reduced. And the second reason would be that her MHC, her immune genes, were obviously quite well matched to his.